Hello viewers, Sniper Wolf 1001 here with another figure unboxing and review, and today we're going to take a look at the Static Arts Gallery Kingdom Hearts 2 Sora model. So this is actually my first ever Kingdom Hearts collectible, first ever Square Enix collectible in general. I haven't really collected anything Final Fantasy related or Kingdom Hearts related until now. This is a bit of a gift that I got from Christmas, but just gonna take a look at this real quick. There's not really too much to look at the box. It's really at the side here, just an image of the model there, with a nice little cloudy background. But I'm just gonna go straight to the unboxing here. So it kind of comes with a little nice little effect there with that little sleeve. Alright. So here, taking a look at the model, this model actually doesn't look too bad. It kind of reminds me quality-wise of the Square Enix like Play Arts Kai series of models or figures. It definitely kind of has that look to it. I'm liking the detail that they have on the face here. I've definitely seen some Sora models in the past where they've kind of messed up on the hair and the face. I'm actually pretty happy with this one here. It doesn't look too bad. Even the little detail on the eyes with the you might not be able to see it too well because the hair's kind of covering over it, but like with the eyebrows and like the eyelashes and stuff, looking really good. Of course, the blue eyes there, the expression on the face looking really good, and of course, I'm kind of liking the detail on the hair that they have here. Of course, like Sora's like really unique hairstyle as well here. Taking a look at the Kingdom Key. I like the metallic finish that they have on the Kingdom Key, especially on the handle here with this nice, very shiny gold that they have going down. Sorry, just wait for, there we go. So yeah, nice shiny gold kind of going down the rest of the handle. It's very reflective, even with the little blue stripe here. There is a little bit of a paint imperfection here on the blue stripe because you can see that there's a bit of gold kind of bleeding off onto the blue spot there. But again, it's not like a huge deal. Looking at the rest of the Kingdom Key, like the nice silver that they have going all the way down, the design of like the key part here, looking really nice, of course. And this is, of course, Kingdom Hearts 2 Sora, which is, in terms of design, this is probably one of my favorite designs from Sora. I do like his Kingdom Hearts 3 design a lot more, but Kingdom Hearts 2 was always my favorite before then. Of course, they have like the nice little chain right here. Again, very shiny. Going down to the actual jacket, you can see like the little zipper here. The different colors and stuff going on to the inside of the shirt. Of course, the gloves here too. Painted really nicely. There's a little bit of bleed off. There's a little bit of bleed off here on like the yellow band here on the glove. I apologize for my camera constantly going out of focus. Okay, there we go. So there's a little bit of paint bleed off that you can see on the band there on the glove. Some blacks going into the yellow, and even right here on like the blue spots, there's a bit of blue going onto like the silver band. Again, very small imperfections, not really anything that's too big of a deal. Still looking really nice. Even like the arm here, the arm looking pretty clean as well. Onto the bottom part of the pants, they have like a bit of like different coloration down here on the knee where it kind of gets, you can see it kind of gets a little washed out down there. It's kind of like a kind of starts fading out into like a white almost. Same thing on here too. So there's a bit of like a color shift down at the bottom of the pants, which is kind of interesting. Of course, the little pouch here, looking pretty nice. Of course, like the yellow like harnesses and stuff going around it, looking pretty good. Down to the boots. Of course, Sora's always known for these really ridiculous looking, like almost like clown shoes, where they're like really big at the front. But I definitely like this design of his boots over his Kingdom Hearts 1 design. I think these look way better. I like the color scheme here with like the yellow going down to the black, and then it has like the kind of the blue straps going around it. Of course, it has like a very odd design with like the zipper going through the middle all the way up to here. But that design in this model form looking really nice. You can just see the individual teeth of the zipper looking really good going all the way up, and I think you can see like the I think this part here, this silver part on the blue strap is supposed to be like the I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like the tongue of the zipper or not, but it is looking really good. Even inside here too, the yellow going out into the white, right where his foot kind of goes, or his leg goes into the boot there, looking pretty cool. And I like the little detail here with his foot resting on the star. A nice, I kind of appreciate this base here. It's a nice looking base. Of course, this, just because it's a very light material, this kind of moves around a little bit as well too. Honestly, overall, I'm pretty happy with this. Like, for my first Sora figure, or Sora model, this is definitely pretty nice. Like, it's a decent scale. Quality-wise, it looks good. I really like I think the thing that I like the most about this model is definitely the paint finish. Especially on the Kingdom Key, like the way that the golds kind of shine and reflect, and as well as the silver part here, those look really good, and they stand out quite a bit, which I like. Even the black handle here looks pretty good as well too. Also, another detail too, I also kind of like how they did the fingernails. Like, you might not be able to see it too well on the camera; it's a little blurry. But like even like the fingernails look pretty decent on this as well too. Pretty satisfied with this figure. It looks really nice visually. And I think one thing that I really appreciate is how they detailed the face on this, because that's one thing that some models, especially with the not all of the Play Arts Kais, but some of them, I find that they kind of mess up the character's face a little bit. So I definitely appreciate the fact that this Sora, like, they actually did a pretty decent job modeling the face here, as well as the hair and like the eyes and stuff. Like, there's a lot of detail that went into that for sure. So definitely a really nice looking Kingdom Hearts model, and a really nice addition to the collection as well. But that's going to be everything that I wanted to talk about in regards to the Static Arts Gallery Kingdom Hearts 2 Sora. I do hope to maybe collect some more Kingdom Hearts figures in the future. Maybe if they've released like a Kingdom Hearts 3 version, maybe like a Roxas or something like that. I know that they recently released a Xion in her organization outfit, so I might look into that. But apart from that, like, I'm pretty happy with this. So that's going to bring this review to a close. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you found it informative. There's definitely going to be more figure unboxings and reviews coming in the future. So hopefully you guys stay tuned and look forward to all of that. But with all that said, hope you guys have a good night or nice day depending on where you are, and I'll see you all later.